So magandang araw kabole, sa video na ito babalikan po natin yung dalawang teams po na na-eliminate dun sa quarterfinals kabole para po tayo po yung magbigay of course ng atin pong trade suggestion kabola. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button kabola. So pag-usapan nga muna natin kabola itong mga na-receive po natin na comments dito po sa latest po natin na video. Sabi po ni Alex Prado, which is a long time viewer, magandang hapon kabola, I beg to disagree. Personally, nakunin si Santos, Kinyahan ng SMB, so diehard San Miguel fan po ito. Sa halip, pabor ako nakunin na player ay mga bata, pero subok na, Tolentino, Navarro, JV. I mean, ito lang, Sir Alex kabola, So, talagang, ingrained na sa'yo, Diba, accepted mo na kabola yung galawan ng favorite team mo. At they get players in exchange po for of course unfair trades. Okay na sa yun. And for me, to be honest, that's sad kabola kasi diba, that is in a way talagang bending the legality and of course the fairness kabola of a league. Pero overall of course what you're stated is logical, diba? Those players are better than of course a very old Santos at Kinyahan. Then sabi ni Juan Carlo sa Bolik and Ganuelas Roser to TNT, Amer and Rosario to TNT. Pupunta lahat sa TNT, parang ano naman po ibibigay po ng TNT kabola, diba? Dionisio Mercado, more power to your channel. O sabang bola, salamat po. Now, pag-usapan natin yung ibang po mga recent po na news or talking points. Coach of the year, Perkins all in on such Jamaica as Phoenix earns PBA sa MSI. I do believe also that he has currently the best story kabola to get that award, Coach of the Year, Coach Jamaica kabola. If he, kahit mga quarters lang siguro ulit po sila in the Philippine Cup, I think pwede na niya makuha po yung award po na yan. He deserve it kabola. Ginagawa niya, diba? They just let go of Maturite, pero nakapasok sila dito po sa semis, I think, and he is a big factor. Now, sabi dito, history favors Ginebra and Titanic PBA semi clash versus San Miguel. Kapsi po, 6 na best na nagarap dito po sa import conference ang dalawang ito at nakalimang best na po nanalo ang Ginebra kabola from 2016. So yes, they are in advantage kabola. So tingnan natin kung sino po yung lalamang po or makakuha nga po ng ticket to the finals. Now ito na nga po, suggest tayo for Meralco and TNT. For Meralco Bulls po, I will suggest Bong Quinto for J.O. Bot and King Caralipio. For me, they really need kabola sa palagi ko na i-maximize po yung connection ni Bong Quinto sa Converge. Yes, I understand. Quinto is a very good player. He is a crucial part of their team kabola. Pero still, di ba, in a way, di ba, supply and demand pa rin po yan. If ang Bot can be get kabola, I think they need to try it. Ang Bot is still a 6'7", 6'8". Yes, hindi po siya nabibigyan ng minuto. Kaya nagmumukhang parang hindi siya deserving kabola na maging kapalitan po ni Quinto, pero I think the potential is really there. This guy can really shoot and he is a legit 6'7", 6'8" kabola, and this type of players are hard to find in the PBA kabola. I-partner mo to kay Brandon Bates and tingnan mo, the future will be way much better for the Meralco Bulls. Yan po yung atin pong sumagita yan. Of course, sa palay ko naman, for Converge naman, they should be willing to do this kasi connection ni Coach Aldin Ayo dito kay Quinto. And I do believe King Caralipio is also a good get for Meralco. Pwede nga parang next Quinto lang din po yan eh. For TNT naman, I hope they do not go for a big trade right away, di ba? Kasi injury at saka health naman talaga yung issue nila kabola, hindi po sila nakaalagwa in this Commissioner's Cup. A small trade like Kim Aurin for Onubera and second round pick kabola, I think will work fine. Onubera will bring that muscle that they need, di ba? Kasi sobrang injury prone nga nung frontline nila while they maximize the value of Kim Aurin. Aurin is of course a very good prospect kabola to have. Pero sa palagay ko lang kabola, you can find others with the type of skill set. So giving him up to get value, I think is the right way for TNT. O mga balis, palagay mo, tama bang mga trade ito? Comment na po sa baba.